Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to drive the MG Cyberster. First, ensure your vehicle is unlocked and you are comfortably seated, adjusting the seat and mirrors as needed. Next, firmly press the brake pedal with your foot. Then, locate and press the start/stop button, usually found on the center console or dashboard. You will hear a soft hum, and the digital instrument cluster will illuminate, indicating the Cyberster is powered on and ready for your command. Once powered on, select Drive using the intuitive gear selector, often a sleek rotary dial or button. With your foot still on the brake, release it and gently press the accelerator pedal. The Cyberster will glide forward silently and smoothly. Use the responsive steering wheel for precise control and the brake pedal for effective stopping. You can also explore various driving modes, such as Sport for a more dynamic experience, enhancing throttle response and handling. Managing your Cyberster's charge is straightforward. Locate the charging port, usually found on the vehicle's side or rear, and connect the appropriate charging cable firmly. The vehicle's display will show the charging status and estimated time to full. Always monitor your battery level and remaining range, which is clearly displayed on the instrument cluster. For longer trips, planning your route to include convenient charging stations will ensure a seamless and enjoyable journey. When you've reached your destination, bring the Cyberster to a complete stop. Engage the electronic parking brake, typically with a simple button press. Then, select Park on the gear selector before pressing the start/stop button to power down the vehicle. Take time to familiarize yourself with the advanced driver assistance systems, which enhance safety and convenience. Also, leverage features like regenerative braking to efficiently recover energy, extending your driving range.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.